Hello and welcome to a new video from Galle. I'm in my guest house called Musin Villa here in Galle Fort. This is the ultimate center of Galle, and you can see we're overlooking some rooftops, a few churches. This is Sri Lanka and I can't believe it. It looks so different from anything I've seen in this country. Let me show you guys around. I'm going to show you Galle, especially the fort area, and how special this place is because it's so unlike anything else in this country. Perfect, yeah, that works. Thank you so much. See you soon. And there's my hotel over here, Musin Villa. You see the house is really old, tiled roofs, absolutely gorgeous. Still tuk-tuks, of course, because we're still in Sri Lanka. But this is what you can expect from Galle Fort. We're literally in the absolute center of the city. Hello. Hello. Hi. There are many tourists here because, of course, this is one of the main tourist attractions in the country and also the 5th largest city in the country of Sri Lanka. Look at how nicely renovated all these buildings are. This is a Middle Eastern restaurant, many guest houses around. This is absolutely beautiful. It's been restored, at least most of it. But even these old buildings that have not been restored yet still have a lot of charm. It's an absolutely gorgeous place. And there's the actual fort. This right here, there's somebody standing on top of it. That's gonna be me in a few minutes when I get there.
Only selling teas there.
Tea? Sorry?
Selling teas.
Selling teas?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Both of shops.
Both of them. Okay, perfect. I'll have a look, yeah? Thank you. Hello. Hi. This place is literally called the Ministry of Tea, as you can see. Hi, no, I'm good. I'm just walking to the fort. Yeah, that's because tea is obviously, you know, so popular in this country. It's produced in Sri Lanka, and lots of tea plantations around. Hello. But this right here is the fort, the Utrecht-based bastion. So I guess it's Dutch because Utrecht is obviously a city in the Netherlands. Wow. I mean, wow. Okay. This is insane. Look at that, guys. What are these views? I hope you can hear me with the wind because this is, yeah, obviously the sea. Oh my god. And that right there is a famous stupa. Hello. We just had a few monks over there. That's pretty cool. Let me show you guys the view from here because we can actually see the fort area from this point. Look how beautiful this is. Obviously a lot of tourists around, that's to be expected. And then the lighthouse and a cathedral over there. So that's what we're going to check out next. Particularly the lighthouse. I'm not sure if we can go on top of it because I'm sure it's still in use. But yeah, wow. I mean, this is gorgeous. It's so unlike anything else I've seen in this country so far. And I love it. Snake? Really? Oh my god. A python too. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Thank you. It's okay. Thank you. What just happened? That had to be my third cobra/python encounter here in Sri Lanka. Crazy. I mean, I'm not entertaining that because it is kind of animal abuse, but also really fascinating to see. But look at this view over here. This is the cathedral and the lighthouse close up. So let me see if we can actually enter either of the two. And yeah, the fort is, apart from the trash, quite lovely. Oh, it's okay. I'm just walking around today. Thank you. So this lighthouse is 1938. It does look a bit older, but I can see it being built in 1938. Doesn't look like we can enter. There's some souvenirs over here. Yeah, let's try to enter the church. Ooh, I take it back. It looks like a church, but it's actually a mosque. That is really cool. Don't know if we can enter that, but yeah, look at that, guys. That's awesome. Now this area has a lot of jam stores, and even my hotel has a jewelry store at the bottom floor. Not too sure why that is. Maybe this place is famous for its jewelry. Very possible. But yeah, let's continue on. There's a money exchange over here. I wish I had my sunglasses, guys, but yesterday I was in the sea in Marissa and I got hit in the face by a massive wave and my sunglasses disappeared, never to be seen again. Tragic. I've had them since I was like 17, so for like 10 years, the same ones. Yeah, it is what it is. Gonna have to get new ones. There's a doggo near every store. It's amazing. Hello. Look at that one. Now I've come to Aurora Bastion, one of 3 bastions here. There's Utrecht, Aurora and Triton. This one, it says something about 1943, so I think it was significant in the Second World War. Not sure how, but very cool. Lots of tourists, of course. Well, at least some tourists, some local tourists as well. Not much left of it, except for a cannon. I take it back, guys. There's a 4th fort called Sword Bastion, but this right here is crazy. This is all covered. Obviously a very old building. It looks so European. And we have a cat. Oh my god. We have a cat situation. It almost got run over. Can we interview it? Probably not. Hello. This town has so much to offer. Every building has huge amounts of history. That's how cool this place is. And I see already the next one. Look at that. And there's a British mailbox. Obviously it hasn't been in use for a while, but this should be Sword Bastion. Oh no, it's Akersolid Bastion, a 5th one. Now I don't want to point the camera directly to that building behind me because it is the High Court of Galle. But this right here is the Sword Bastion, at least what's left of it. There's so many bastions in the city. The trees are even really old. Look at how big this one is. And that one over there. Wow. It almost looks like curtains, that one. Tuk tuk. Hello. Guys, I think I found the smallest beach in all of Sri Lanka. Look at that. This is the beginning of the beach and there's the end. This is tiny. Pretty nice though. The sand is great. And then over here as well, they're burning something over there. This over there is the High Court again. This looks like a boat, possibly a submarine. And then this over there is the other side of Galle, the non-fort area. Alright guys, I've just arrived to a little square and there's 2 churches on it. This is the Dutch Reformist Church and that over there is something else that's not marked on Google Maps. So yeah, let's check out both. This is the Sword Bastion. There's so many bastions, I don't know which one's which, but this area is just absolutely stunning. Highly recommended, maybe for a day trip, because it doesn't look to be massive, it doesn't look to be huge. You can definitely see it in like an hour or 2. I'm staying here for 2 nights, maybe a bit too long, don't know, but I'm just gonna enjoy myself while I'm here. Oh, I take that back. This is the Dutch Reformed Church, so that's over there is something completely different. Not too sure. Let's have a look. It doesn't look to be big, but pretty old and nice. This right here seems to be the oldest library in Sri Lanka, the Galle Library, established in 1832. Only accessible to members. Fair enough. This is the Anglican Communion All Saints Church. I see. This is even prettier than the last one. Okay. What building is it?
Before shipping building.
Oh, shipping building. I see.
That is the timetable.
Ah, very nice.
Very old house.
Oh, it's okay. I'm staying in a very old house. Thank you very much, though. Thank you. You too. Bye bye. Hi, how are you? I'll tell you what, guys. It's hard to tell who's trying to scam you and who's just trying to be very nice. But what I do is I keep the camera rolling when I get approached by someone, because that deters people from trying to scam you, and that's just the best way of going about your day here. Hi, how are you?
Hello, sir.
Could I have in a cone?
Yes.
1 scoop. Let me see. I'm gonna go for the nutty professor. In a cone, please. Ooh, that's really good. Nice. It's gonna melt so quick because it's just so hot today.
Nice to meet you from Munich. Basically 1 kilometer, sir, and off my
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, sorry. Typical scam setup right there with that guy. I broke my leg. Scammer galore here in Galle. I've had a lot of tuk-tuk drivers and scammers come at me, but then when you see the camera they usually get real quiet. That guy allegedly broke his leg. You know, I don't want to say he's lying. He might have broken his leg, but why would you hassle tourists for money? I don't understand it. Anyway, this is the probably the 6th fort I've seen in Galle, but they are very pretty. And look at that one. There's a beach down there. Wow. I do have to say I am very tempted to change into my swim shorts, come back and go into the water. We have a cat. I don't know how I'm gonna get down there, but there's a cat. Come here. You can jump this. It's okay. It's not that high. Alright, now I'm down here. There's the cat. I'm gonna be a bit cautious because it looks feral. Oh yeah, okay. Oh, come back. Luckily for us we have another one. And 2 dogs. Hello. No bite? Yeah? Does he bite? No. Is it your cat?
No.
No? Oh, okay.
It's a street cat.
Street cat.
Yeah.
Hello.
They need food now.
Aww.
I give food every morning. That's why they come in here.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Has he eaten today?
Yeah.
Morning. In the morning.
I give morning.
Oh.
He and all of the animals.
These are street dogs too?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So cute. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Have a nice day. Germany.
Germany.
Yeah. I think I found the most quintessential Galle street I have ever seen. We have a fort over here. We have a temple right there. An old Dutch church by the looks of it, or townhouse. And then these beautifully restored guest houses. And some tourists over here. This is so Galle. We have a dance performance going on over here. Look at that. Sadly, I can't stick around because of the copyright situation, because music from all around the world, no matter where, if it's part of a label, it's going to be copyrighted, and it's the same with Sri Lankan music, unfortunately. This right here is the clock tower, and that is the entrance to the fort. Well, that was a python. Anyway, this is the clock tower. We're on top of it, and this is Galle. Look how beautiful it is, with all the roofs. Such a beautiful city. This is where I'm gonna end the video, and I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please leave a like. Please comment where else I should go here in Sri Lanka, and please subscribe because there will be a lot more videos from this country. I'm gonna see you all very, very soon in the next one, and bye for now.